YouTube channel. In today's video we will learn how to fix universal plug and play not successfully on Xbox One series. The UPnP not successful means your router is not allowing your Xbox to automatically open the needed ports. We will fix that step by step. Step 1. Check Xbox network status. Go to settings, then go to journals, network setting, then test net type. Make note of your net type and UNP status. Enable UPnP on your router. Open a browser and go to your router IP address, log in, then find UPnP in settings, enable, then save apply changes. Step 3. Power cycle everything. Turn off your Xbox, unplug your router gateway, wait at least 1 minute, then unplug if in your router gateway and wait until fully online. Turn on your Xbox, then test NAT type again. Step 4. Set a static IP for your Xbox. Go to setting, then general network setting, then advanced setting, IP setting manually. Enter an IP outside the DHCP range, example like this. Open port manually. Forward this port to your Xbox static IP in your router. Then save, apply changes and restart router. Need help finding port forward in settings? Check your router manual to use T-Mobile support. Then go to the step 6. Check for double net. If you have your own router connector to the T-Mobile gateway, you may have a double net. Put your router in AP bridge mode, then enable DMZ on T-Mobile gateway and enter your router IP. Here are the testnet type again and optional update firmware. Step 7. Go to setting, journal network setting, then testnet type. You want NAT type on or UNP successful. Update your router firmware, update your Xbox console, then this can fix compatibility issue. Here are the today's video extra tips. Use a wired connection for best result. Avoid VPN or proxy service. If nothing were factory reset your router. Contact T-Mobile support if you still have issue. You can also call on this number and go to their official website for more customer support. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.